Hey guys! Greetings from Japan. Mamio and I, we just flew into Narita, and tonight we're staying at a ryokan. Simply put, ryokan are traditional Japanese style inns. Here's our bedding. We're sleeping on the floor. Our blankets look like they have a six-pack. What a long keychain! You can't forget it. On a table nearby awaits a set of tea. Green tea. And a TV sits on a safe. We have a wet towel. Welcome snacks. Oh, that looks like a peanut. I've had this before. Tastes pleasant, and although it looks like a peanut, doesn't taste like a peanut. What's inside the other snack packet? It's not a gummy, it's something dried. Oh, very strong. It tastes stronger than it smells. It's super salty and sweet. I might want to have some quinoa or rice with that. What's in the fridge? Oh, look at this handle. Geometric and kind of futuristic. Futuristic on a more old school. What is this? Party time. Asahi Kirin. Let's take a look outside. No idea what is over there. When you arrive somewhere at nighttime, it's very ambiguous. It's hard to get your bearings. One of the ladies, she showed us to our room, and then she explained that there's a yukatas in here. We have a small yukata and a medium one, and they have a spa, and we have to bring our own towels. Here are the instructions. Bathing etiquette. Ooh. All room is non-smoking. It smells mostly clean with a hint of something vintage. Might be the wood. Let's take a look at the closet. Oh, now this is not a closet for clothes. Next to the entrance, the bathroom. Look at that tiny tub. I've never seen a tub so tiny. We could choose to have breakfast at 7:30, 8, or 8:30, and we decided 8:30. Usually I like to wake up early in the morning and get the day started, but lately I've been sleeping late and waking up late. Thanks, jet lag. Just found out that under this, there's another set. Let's pour ourselves some water. Oh, it's heavy. I think this is over 5 pounds. Is it coming up? There's something in there. Oh. Oh, you have to rotate it. It's heavy, right? You really have to work for that water.
This is really hot.
Mamio thinks it's more than 10 pounds. She does weightlifting far more than I do. So for those of you who've never seen an old school phone, number one step is pick up the phone and then do your dialing. This here number is 369, okay? Then you put your finger in 3, and then there's this thing that stops your finger. So you let go, 6, and then 9. So what is this under the telephone? Oh, it's a tissue box. It looked like it was wrapped like a gift from the side. It must be a painting of shrimp. Is it a flashlight? Yeah, it's a flashlight. So I need to finish reading the instruction, but I think that's what we wear to the spa. I guess it's not spa, it's more of a bath. The Japanese people are fond of bathing in piping hot water. Large ryokans and those at hot spring resorts have communal baths for men and women. Are these baths co-ed, or is it separate for men and women? Only one way to find out. We gotta go and see for ourselves how it's really like. Growing up, I used to take long pieces of paper and fold them up like this. And then we'd poke the edges and puff it up into a star. But this one's made of cloth. Can't really do that very well. a nice little ribbon. Yay! Oh, it looks like they provided with slippers. So I was the only one there, which is kind of nice and also a little spooky. I was tempted to bring you guys with me, but it's a wet zone. There's a seat inside the bathtub. I would say you could fit like a good 10 people minimum, and this bathtub is completely tiled. If you sit in the deeper end, it goes up to your armpit. Just about to take a shower. Oh, bathhouse is divided by gender. Okay, so I gotta dry my hair, but all our outlets are away from any mirror. We have 2 outlets under the window. The other outlet is next to the TV and safe. The 4th outlet is next to the fridge. So I think I'm gonna go back to the bathing area and use their hair dryer because they have big mirrors there. This time I'm gonna bring my phone and just give you a little peep inside. We place our slippers into a cubby. Above is a box filled with colorful swatches. Take 2 laminated cards of the same pattern. One is to keep your slippers together. The other one you take with you inside the bathing area. Near the tub are 6 stools. You can sit on them while taking a shower. We shall dry our hair in the room next door. Every so often I hear like sliding doors and conk conk. Kind of freaking me out because I'm alone. Peekaboo! Hey, you made a good observation. This is actually a hole. You know, in America, like to get this cushion inside the end, it could be a hassle at times. But in this case, you put it right in the middle, and it's very easy to slip your arm into every corner. We have our dirty laundry drying. Well, it's not dirty anymore. We washed it. I'm gonna close all the screens. Slide all the doors closed. The light out there keeps turning on when you walk by the entrance. We slid the rest of the doors out, creating a more cozy space for sleeping. My fever is getting worse. I have a feeling I won't be able to taste food tomorrow. Did I say fever or headache? Because I meant headache.
Headache.
Showtime!
Psyche!
That looks nice. If you rub the sole of your foot against the mattress, it feels like balls, like kind of bubbly. It feels like cotton balls. Good morning! Let's see what kind of day it is. Woohoo! A rainy one! I live for weather like this. It's a good thing we have these screens because it's a bit colder in this area and the wind will come through, but this protects us. It is 8:18 a.m. We have 12 minutes until breakfast! It's 8:31! We're late! We're 1 minute late! Breakfast is Shojin Ryori. Yes, it's vegan, and no, I'm not vegan. But vegan food can be just as tasty, and at times even tastier than meat-based dishes. Our neighbors left, so we have the whole place to ourselves. You notice the music they're playing in the background? It's like meditation music. Ooh, like ambient, very ambient. Not sure if I'll be able to taste everything, but we'll get our nutrition. Let's prepare the natto. My nose is not functioning 100%, but you can still smell that. Isn't this the hay that we used to feed our rabbit? And it looks like we put it into this dish. The one with chopped scallion. When pulled apart, natto creates cobweb-like threads. Sticky and tricky. It's wasabi. If you're sick and you have a stuffy nose, have some wasabi. It's gonna clear it up. It tastes earthy. It's not my first time trying natto. Also, it tastes very mild to me right now because I have a cold. So this is grilled eggplant with sweet miso paste. It almost looks like the outside is wrapped in seaweed. Oh, that's good. It's a bit sweet and salty, but still very tasty, especially with the sprinkles of sesame on top. You know, I think Willy Wonka might like this grilled eggplant. Can you imagine the time it takes to put all this together? This is very sticky. Thanks for the teamwork. Now it's peanut. It almost tastes like a dessert. Alright, so this peanut side dish is so sticky that you gotta just hold it with your finger. And even then, you're putting like, I feel like 3 pounds of pressure to pick up a little bite. Think of it as like slightly dried up honey. There's sesame seed in that. Shall we try a sheet of seaweed? It's quite thin, very slim. The taste is much stronger than how slim it looks. Think of it as a thin person with muscles. This little dish is made of NAMEKO mushroom and grated radish. Mamio was saying this tofu is like powdered sugar as opposed to granulated sugar. Let's see how just soft this tofu is. Whoa. Typically when I have tofu in America, it's like slippery, but this one's like mashed potato. Oh, it has a bit of a firm texture. Oh, there's tofu on the bottom. Take a look at the lighting fixture. Oh, you cleaned it pretty well.
Yeah, I ate everything.
What's your favorite thing you had on this meal?
Umeboshi.
Let's try it. It's so strong. Oh wait, that's not the way you ate it?
Umeboshi was the side dish of bento. So lots of rice, one umeboshi in the center.
Oh, and I just had it one whole umeboshi without rice. I'm a warrior.
I love warriors.
Warriors isn't basketball. Oh look, they have a basket of blankets in case you get cold. In Korean, piwa actually means it's raining. And today, it is raining.
The jelly reminds me of quartz crystal.
Our last bite. Our 6-pack bed has disappeared. Actually, they put it away. 9:31. Checkout is in 29 minutes.
Upon checking out at 10 a.m., Mamio and I explore the neighborhood. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for staying until the end. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. More Japan vlogs and beyond coming ahead. Bye bye, Momo!